Hi lovelies, did you know that your WhatsApp group could be making for you around $50 and above on a daily basis? Yes, you heard me right. It can make for you $50 and above on a daily basis. That's right. Instead of you using it for chatting, you can turn this app into a money-making machine, right? In this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how you can monetize your WhatsApp group on a daily basis to get an amount of money that you want. So if you're ready to earn on this WhatsApp group, now it is not WhatsApp status or any other WhatsApp group, of which I know one of you that is watching, or each of you that is watching, has a capacity to be in a WhatsApp group, or is in a WhatsApp group, or you are owning a WhatsApp group. Keep watching till the end, and I'm going to show you how you can monetize it. Do you want to get $50? Do you want to get $10? You want to get $1,000? Each amount of money. It's easier for you with a WhatsApp group. Before going very far, allow me appreciate all our royal viewers, all our returning students. To talk less, our new subscribers, we welcome you very much. Thanks for being on Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show has a seat for everybody, provided you say you want to earn with what you want, what you have, and what you have within you and around you. You can earn money with your handset. That's why they call it smartphone. You can earn money with your mind, and you can also earn money with everything and everyone around you. Dive in and see exactly step by step how can we monetize our WhatsApp group. Now class in session. Just get your laptop, you can even get your WhatsApp, and we go step by step such that we follow. At the end of this video, you should be ready to monetize it. The first step I need you to do, I need you to pick a profitable niche. A profitable niche is something that you're going to specialize in. Like the way you can see Immaculate Show, we specialize in education, we specialize in finance and sensitization. So what about you? You can sit down and say, what do I want to do? The first, as I told you, your group should be of value to people. That's why you need to look for a profitable niche. So like for example me, if I was to make a WhatsApp group, I would be putting making money with a smartphone. That is my niche. And here are some profitable niches that I've been telling you, and even some of you have just come, maybe you don't know them. This is there are different niches that can work for you. Like for example, making money online. Making on money online, the way you hear it, making on money online, the moment you venture into it, you concentrate on it, you work on it, you can make money. People love learning. They love learning to earn more extra cash. Who doesn't want it? I started it jokingly. Now I appreciate it because I love money, and I know if you're there, you know money is not everything, but it is after God. Then the second niche is about cryptocurrency and forex. Many investors seek updates and signals. You guys, most of you have been in forex, most of you have been in cryptocurrency. I was once in Bitcoin, I was once under Ethereum. All these ones I've been dealing in them. But there are some people who have knowledge about it. The trend is going like this. The trend is, if you venture into this, if you know you have knowledge about it, or you have a skill, you might not have a knowledge, but you have a desire, you can learn. I always tell you, it is when you say that no skills needed, it doesn't mean that you just go there without knowing anything, but you can enter without knowing anything and you learn towards it. The third one is job and freelancing, connecting job seekers to new opportunities. This is one of the best paying niche that is on YouTube, or on blogs and on social media by the advertisers. You find the CPM is high. Then the fourth one is health and fitness. You guys, diet plans, workouts, and wellness tips are very, very much looked for, and they are highly ranked as CPM is concerned. And even if you go to the search engine, it is a bit above than any other that you say, like comedy, reactions, and other things. Entertainment and viral content. These ones are also among the profitable niche that you can earn. When I talk about entertainment, I mean memes, I mean videos, and even trending news. So now, having known the trend, having known that the first step is to pick the trending and profitable niche. Once you pick this niche, create a group. And this WhatsApp group, you are going to name it. You're going to name it the best brand that you want. Like me, if I'm to do it, I'll make it Immaculate Show, making money online classes, or any other, or updates. Then now you start looking for your audience. How do you get your audience? That is the second step, that is grow your WhatsApp group audience. For you to grow your WhatsApp audience, you need members. And remember, these members, they have to be monetized. So where do you go and look for them? Here is how you can grow WhatsApp audience or WhatsApp group. First, you share your group link in your social media platforms. I'm sure that whoever is watching me, you're on TikTok, following on Facebook, you have the following on others. You can share your group links to social media platforms. You can share it on Twitter, on Instagram, and everywhere. 2, you can join related WhatsApp groups. Like, for example, I'm in different WhatsApp groups about, I give you a highlight, like for YouTubers. Like in Dubai, we have YouTubers, Kenyan YouTubers in Kenya. I'm not a Kenya, in Dubai. We have content creators in Dubai. These are the WhatsApp groups I'm in. You can even join them and start promoting your WhatsApp group. It is recommendable. Then the third one, you create valuable content. When you're creating valuable content, here you have to share free tips first. Then the second, you entertain, you keep people entertained, you keep them more engaged, but you even tell them to invite friends, but you have to make sure that they are gaining value. You hook them up. Once that's when you can use WhatsApp status to grow your audience. WhatsApp status, people are watching. Why do you post? What do you post on your WhatsApp status? You know, if I refer you to the video that we did about how you can make $30 on WhatsApp, WhatsApp status is one way of you to make money on that. But now you know the bigger way, the brand you want to make, is for you to make $50, $100 on a daily basis by monetizing a group. Now, what should you put on your WhatsApp status? 1, WhatsApp status, you should invite people to join your WhatsApp group. 2, you should put things that are going to attract individuals to you, not someone to swipe up. And thirdly, people who watch your WhatsApp status are your friends, are your contacts. So you can go a bit and even connect it to your other social media platforms. So the moment you finish getting people to join your group, the goal is to get like around 200-500 people. If you get 200-500 people, at least out of them 30 people are going to pay for your services. So before you start monetizing it, make sure that people have joined. Then when they have joined, from word A, you make sure that your group is variable. Who will refuse to join my WhatsApp group when you see that I can earn $20 with WhatsApp and I know the tips and I can guide you? Who will fail to join? You are going to join, right? Ambience is profitable. The ambience is variable to individuals that are there. 3, monetize your WhatsApp group. How do you monetize it? Now that you have an active group, let's talk about how to make money out of it. These are some powerful tips for you to monetize your WhatsApp group. 1, you start paid membership. I know there are some people who will not buy it, because out of 500 people, let's say only 50 have paid membership, and this one is going to be depending on how you start the group and what you put and who you are, what you portray on your status, what you portray on other social media platforms. Do they gain? Is there any cause? Is there any reason for people to remain there? Then when they remain there, you link it with the WhatsApp monetization membership. So when you link a subsection, now you tell people who want to benefit more to go to that group. Remember, you keep this main. Don't be cheap and don't be expensive, because you know the audience that you have. Afterwards, you can set an amount of money of the premium. At least the premium should be from $2 to $10. Now suppose you have 20 people and you're giving them to pay $2. how much is it per day? That is enough money. Or you can even put it, daily, or you put it monthly, such that whoever wants to learn, like for example, if I want to teach how to earn on WhatsApp group right now, then you tell your people that are in a main group, today's topic is about the detailed topic, so it is only $2. People will pay. Then people who want to pay monthly, depending on their on the clusters you're going to put, they can pay monthly, they can pay yearly, and others methods, because not everybody is going to be in your contact is your friend, or the people who are going to join this group are your friends to give you by cash. Please, you can upgrade your standard, because where we fall is where we put. Now if you can open up a PayPal account such that someone who is in Nairobi can join the group, someone who is in UK can join the group, and they send you money, or any other like your bank transfers. Then the second way to monetize it is affiliate marketing. The moment you start it, I always tell people, let's spread our arms. These are different streams of incomes. Now when you have this one, you can also use affiliate marketing links. Affiliate marketing links, you can join Amazon Associates, you can join Linkshare, you can join Click. There are very many programs that you can join. Then also your sponsorship ads and posts is another way to monetize your WhatsApp group. Business will pay you to post their ads if your group is larger and active. Recently I got more calls, more messages, more emails, especially emails. People are asking me whether we can partner. And the first question they ask, they say, do you have a WhatsApp group? Do you have a Telegram group? How many people are following you? Those are the questions that they will be asking you. So with these ones, you can charge as much money that you want. If people want to advertise both local and even standard. When I talk about local, Christy is going to come and say, hi, do you know what, James, can you promote my channel? If someone wants to promote her channel on your paid group, you can pay something. Or maybe you're called by a project, you're called by a company that, Christine, can you promote this? You can charge accordingly, depending on the magnitude and the level of the company. Selling digital products is another way of you monetizing your chat groups. Those WhatsApp groups, you can sell different chat, by the way, online products like ebooks. Ebooks, someone might say, Christine, I've never written a book. These days, your energy, what you have in your brain, can make you write an ebook. Are you a lover of cooking? Are you a person that loves health tips? Are you a person that loves this? Recently, I found out that one of the platforms that has rich information, both negative and positive, both good and bad, is TikTok. If you ever want to know anything, go to YouTube, go to TikTok, and you will get what you want to know. Now those people that are putting herbs and are putting nutrition things, they are putting how to make money, they can make ebook. And it is very easy now to make an ebook. Just go to ChatGPT, go to DeepSeek, go to Meta AI, name it. You can make your ebook, and people, for them to support you, you can put this ebook on sale, online courses, templates, coachings, all these ones, you can work them. This works best if you are an expert in a topic. Not everything that you're going to stand there and say, I'm going to talk about or sell people about making money online. Have you made money in the first place? Have you gotten some testimonies? Let's be mindful of that. If you run a fitness group, you can sell a custom diet plan. We have people who are selling us diet plans. Then about how to monetize your WhatsApp. Drop shipping, I told you about drop shipping and product sale. You don't need to own a shop. You don't need to own a company for you to start drop shipping. What you sell gadgets, you sell beauty products without holding and even without that hassle of having an inventory. Use platforms like AliExpress and Shopify for easy drop shipping. You can also sell your own products. What are your own products? Handmade products, food items. Me these days, I'm into a person who is doing handmade products on her own. I'll support you. Just give a call and give me a proof. I'll support you. Now we go to the fourth or the last step of monetizing your WhatsApp group, such that you get $50 and above daily. You have to manage your group effectively. I've entered in many groups and I've exited. Why have I exited? Because the management is not there. So to keep your group active and even focused on what it is supposed to be done, it has to be profitable and variable. So you have to follow the tips of making it healthy, as in terms of being active, and even what people post, what people ask, what people share. One, you set rules. Why do you set rules? To avoid spamming and irrelevant content, to keep your let it keep it variable. So you have to do that. Two, you have to engage daily. Use admin bots. You might be busy, so you'll not be there 24/7. So tools like WhatsApp Business API can automate response. The fifth one is keep growing. Always invite new members and expand your reach. Remember, we're aiming at making $50 and above. Now that we are here, a simple way to make $50 daily is just by using WhatsApp. Now it's time to take action, choose your niche, grow your group, and start making money. You guys, if you find this video very educative, if you find it productive, I want you to go to the comment section and tell us which one are you going to start using. Can you subscribe? Can you put up a heart for us? Let's see you in another video when you're telling us you already started monetizing that group that you have on WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye bye.